KSPortalcraftEDU. I will be teaching you Hooligan Ruffian's elements today. Today's element is fire. Just kidding, Aristotle's a nerd. My bro didn't even know how to find the links of a direct tangent. Aristotle more like stupid diddle. While helium is the second most common element in the universe, it cannot be made here on Earth. There may be a slim chance of a particle, etc. and whatnot. However, the year would be so low by humans. However, it is made here on Earth slowly by Mother Nature. Helium is generally deep underground through the natural radioactive decay of elements such as uranium and thorium. It costs around 10,000 times more to extract helium from the air than any other element, as it is extremely light and rises to the atmosphere. But unlike hydrogen, it can't be made via water and electrolysis. It has a molar mass of 4.003 atomic mass units and is made up by 2 protons and has 2 stable isotopes. Helium-3 is rare here on Earth. However, scientists have found evidence it may be more common on the moon. If so, that would mean we could make highly efficient nuclear energy with no dangerous waste products. If you've ever watched For All Mankind, you know, spoiler alert, Helium-3 plays a big role in Season 2. Helium-4 is what is most common on Earth, and is what we use for scientific research, medical technologies, high-tech manufacturing, space exploration, and even NASA defense. It is very important for space travel, as it is used to pressurize and stiffen destructive rockets before takeoff, and to pressurize the tanks of liquid hydrogen or other fuel in order to force fuel into rocket engines. The Space Shuttle made extensive use of it, as shown in this diagram.
There's holmium and helium and hafnium and erbium and phosphorus and francium and fluorine and terbium and manganese and mercurium, molybdenum, magnesium, dysprosium and scandium.
It is thought that helium-3 and 4 were made around 100 seconds after the start of the Big Bang, possibly due to the fusion of deuterium. Thanks for watching while I continue my work. And redacted, note these videos towards the end will be kind of certain as well. More protons you add, the more unstable elements usually will be, and at a certain point, like in the 100s in the periodic table, these elements are pretty much useless as they only last in like a picosecond. I mean 110s, like 118 is pretty useless. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one!
Promethium, potassium, polonium, and tantalum, technetium, titanium, tellurium, and cadmium, and calcium, and chromium, and curium. There's sulfur, californium, and fermium, berkelium, and also mendelevium, einsteinium, nobelium, and argon, krypton, neon, radon, xenon, zinc, and rhodium, and chlorine, carbon, cobalt, copper, tungsten, tin, and sodium.